The Big Six workout uses the 6 most effective bang for your buck double kettlebell movements. Minute 1, 10 swings. Keep your shoulders back and down and squeeze your butt at the top of every rep. Your abs should be braced throughout the movement. Double kettlebell swings require a slightly wider stance than single kettlebell swings. However, don't go crazy and try keeping your stance as narrow as you can get away with. The closer your stance approximates feet under hips, the more powerful your swings, snatches, and cleans will be. 20 seconds to go. Next exercise, double clean squat, 5 reps. 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, double clean squat, 5 reps. Clean the kettlebells to your chest. Narrow your feet if you have to, squat down, then widen your feet if you have to, and re-clean the kettlebells. You will re-clean the kettlebells before every squat for 5 reps. For a smooth, powerful clean and to avoid banging your wrist, keep the kettlebell path as vertical and close to your body as possible. During the squats, push your heels into the ground, push your knees out, and keep your chest high. "20 seconds to go. Next exercise, double kettlebell swings, 10 reps. 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, double kettlebell swings, 10 reps. Pull your shoulders back and down and squeeze your butt at the top of every rep. Brace your abs to increase the power of the swing and protect your lower back. At the top of the swing, your body should be vertical rather than leaning back. If you are leaning back at the top of the swing, and especially if your lower back is sore, you need to brace your abs and make sure that you do not go beyond vertical. "20 seconds to go. Next exercise, double kettlebell half snatch. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, double half snatch, 5 reps. Snatch the kettlebells up, rack them onto your chest, then recycle into the next rep. The half snatch is safer for the shoulders and allows you to use heavy kettlebells. To ensure greater stability in the overhead position, lock out your hips and brace your abs before you lock the kettlebells out overhead. This creates a stable position for your snatch and allows you to lift heavier kettlebells, have healthy shoulders, and lift with more power. 20 seconds to go. Next exercise, double kettlebell swings, 10 reps. 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, double kettlebell swings, 10 reps. One of the neglected but very powerful elements of kettlebell swing is tensing your quads and focusing on pulling your kneecaps into your groin at the top of each swing. Doing this concurrent with squeezing your butt and abs at the top of the swing not only makes your swing super powerful, but also prevents you from leaning back and injuring your lower back. If you want to transform your body with the swing and avoid the most common mistakes, check out my YouTube video, The 7 Deadly Swinging Sins. 20 seconds to go. Next exercise, double kettlebell overhead squat, 5 reps. 10 seconds to go. During your rest period, Try to move around slowly and breathe deeply to increase oxygen flow. 3, 2, 1. Double kettlebell overhead squat. Begin by clean and jerking or snatching the kettlebells overhead. Narrow or widen your feet as necessary. Keep your arms straight and vertical. Drop down into a squat. Go only as deep as good technique allows. Correct technique involves heels flat on the ground, knees tracking in line with the toes, back straight, arms straight. Whatever depth you can get down to, own it. If your lower back gets sore, you're going too low. Keep your abs tight. 20 seconds to go. Next exercise, double kettlebell swings, 10 reps. 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. Double kettlebell swings, 10 reps. Remember to keep your shoulders pulled back and your back straight throughout the entire movement. Performing double kettlebell swings between every exercise allows you to reactivate the most powerful muscle groups in your body, all of them residing in your posterior chain, the back, the glutes, and the hamstrings. In addition, double kettlebell swings activate your grip and your abdominals, which facilitate strength and power. 20 seconds to go. Next exercise, double kettlebell clean and jerk, 5 reps. 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. Double kettlebell clean and jerk, 5 reps. Technically, this is 2 exercises combined into a chain. The clean and then the jerk. Kettlebell jerk is one of the most challenging exercises, so if you're not sure how to perform it, here you can replace it with a push press. The jerk allows you to lift the heaviest weight you can ever lift overhead. It is a challenging movement that requires overhead mobility and coordination. If unsure how to perform it, check out my jerk tutorial on YouTube. 20 seconds to go. Next exercise, double kettlebell swing, 10 reps. 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. Double kettlebell swing, 10 reps. Double kettlebell swing, aside from a wider stance, have the same standards of movement as two-hand kettlebell swing. One of the most important yet neglected rules of lifting, and that includes kettlebells, barbells, dumbbells, sandbags, and any other implement, is to pick up and dismount your implement correctly. Notice that every time I pick up and dismount the kettlebells, I do it in exactly the same fashion, regardless of how tired and fatigued I might be. 20 seconds to go. Next exercise is double kettlebell thruster, 5 reps. 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. Double kettlebell thruster, 5 reps. Kettlebell thruster is another chain consisting of 2 movements, a squat and a push press, completed seamlessly without a break between the 2. The key here is to avoid pausing in the middle. The point of the thruster is to make the movement as seamless as possible. If you want an extra challenge, you can repeat this circuit for a total of 20 minutes. Thank you for swinging along with me. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you next time. Hi, my name is Kat. In this online video course, you will learn how to correctly perform the Turkish Getup. The Getup is the perfect lifelong fitness solution for a busy minimalist. It delivers all body strength, mobility and joint health in just 10 minutes per day. This course consists of step-by-step lessons and follow-along workouts that you can complete at your own pace. It is designed to guide a total beginner towards excellent kettlebell technique. If you want to build your strongest get-up and have a healthy, anti-fragile body for life, fitness and sport, then this course is for you.